What is up, guys? Welcome back to the OmegaGreed YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars and we live inside the LA area. So we do videos around LA. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Jeffrey. We are jumping in today's video straight out. I'm doing a video similarly like how I did for my Koreatown video, where I'm going to be looking at some apartments, but today we're going to be going to Hollywood and West Hollywood. So we're going to be looking at the actual neighborhood. Because people, they always show what the apartment looks like on the inside. They don't really show what the apartment looks like on the outside in the neighborhood. So I'm going to go a couple different places. Hopefully we'll look at the actual neighborhood and I'll tell you guys how the neighborhood looks, how safe it feels and stuff like that. It is a Saturday morning, so it's not like at night, but you can at least see what the neighborhood looks like, so everything should be good with that. And as Legion just came in here to say hello as well. But yeah, guys, so without further ado, let's jump in the car. Let's head on out to Hollywood and West Hollywood, and let's look at a couple different apartments. And yeah, let's see what everything looks like. Let's do it. Guys, so we're like right near the one area, which I do want to say there is some homeless people over there you probably can't see, but we're like right where this area is going to be. Let's try to find some parking and then we can take a look to see what this area looks like. All right, so this is the place where we're at. I'm not sure which building it is, but we're gonna walk around to see. So my first initial thoughts, this area seems really nice. I did see a couple homeless people like when I'm driving through, but yeah, let's explore the street. Let's see. This seems like there's a ton of just apartments all up and down here, like all the way down there, all the way down there. I was able to find parking on the street, so that's pretty nice. This is like off of a major street that's over there. So yeah, let's see what we can find. And I will say that is nice. They have their own parking lot underneath there. So that's pretty cool. A car just came out of there. Okay guys, so this seems like a really nice area. I do like the fact that, okay, this whole strip has this apartment, this whole entire area. There's a lot of places with plenty of parking underneath the apartment buildings, and there's also like some driveways. It seems like kind of even some apartments are like down like little side alleys. Seems like a nice area. Like there's people walking around, plenty of people walking around with their dogs. Some guy even saw I had my Knicks hat on. He was like, oh yeah, you've been watching the games. So that's pretty cool. Seems like this is a nice, fine area, nothing too crazy. The apartments seem to be a little bit more expensive around here, which is to be expected. Yeah, there's plenty of, like, there's literally so many apartment buildings. Like there's here. I think the building that I looked up is like over there, but I went all the way down the street and all the way back. So it seems like a nice area. Yeah, so let's head on off to the second area and see what else we can find. The next area is going to be this place. About $2,300 a month, 2 beds, 1 bath. Let's go check this place out. Oh yeah, and guys, if you're wondering, it's literally 4 minutes away. All right, so this is where we are. First initial thoughts, very similar to where we just were. It's like off of a main street. Seems like a nice little area. This is literally like so many apartments for rent, like literally right there. So let's take a look around. Let's see how this little street looks. All right guys, so just got done walking around. Seems like a nice little area. Plenty of people walking around. There's like a little park right up there. I can see, like, not really a park, I should say. It's just like a grass area where there's some people doing yoga. Plenty of people walking around with their dogs, people walking around. So I didn't want to like film like, you know, people just walking around. Let's go off to one more area. Let's see what this place looks like. I think I'm gonna go a little bit more into Hollywood. This is more West Hollywood. I'm gonna go into Hollywood to see what we can find. And it's still like not that far away. So let's go there next. I just want to tell you guys, so I'm heading off from second location to the third location. Just went down the street. There's a Smart and Final down here, which I just discovered. It's like this brand of, it's a grocery store. There's a other, like, looks like it's some type of restaurant, like plaza thing that's over there. There's like this thing that's here. So there's a lot of stuff in this area. This whole area looks like down that street there's more like stores and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. So the next location is literally like a couple minutes away, even though it's technically in Hollywood. Everything over here is like the same area. So yeah, we're heading there now. Where I'm at right now, looks like it's a nice, decent place. There's a lot of apartments. So I'm gonna walk up the street. I had to park down like kind of a small little side street that's like right next to it, but ow. I'm parked on a side street that's kind of right next to it, but yeah, we're gonna walk up and see what this whole little area looks like. Okay, so I'll take that off. Okay guys, so this area, it kind of shows a lot of places are like hit or miss. I wouldn't necessarily say this is a bad area. Maybe if you're like a single female, you probably wouldn't want to walk here at night. There was a lot of homeless tents down like that way. Even when I was walking up, the dude was talking to some other dude. I don't think it was anything crazy, but I don't know. It might make some people uncomfortable. I did see a lot of people walking out of the actual apartment building that I went to go look at. So like, it's fine. It's off of like a main busy road. You do have to realize though, a lot of these streets, like when you get on these side streets, people can just literally like park and just have tents up. So there's like a lot of tents actually going down in that direction. You know, honestly, like I haven't had any bad experiences with anyone, but you know, so I might want to be a little bit wary with that. One other thing I am noticing, like buildings, when they have like gates up in front of like their like a business or like a property or something like that, that's when you know the area is a little bit rougher, I would say, versus some other areas when they don't have like a literal gate in front of their you know, building. Or if there's a gate up to the sidewalk, then you can kind of gauge the area by that. But I don't know, all in all, I think this is like a decent spot. There's plenty of like stores and just busy roads like right up the street, so you can always go find something to do. And that apartment building that I looked at looked like really nice. Like it looked like they had stuff inside of it, so you can always find something to do. You can walk your dog around here. It would probably suck because it's literally just a main road. There's like, you have to walk kind of like back in that direction, the area where there was a lot of homeless tents for like there to be grass for your dog to like pee and, you know, poop. Yeah guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. So I did 3 locations. They're all like within driving distance of themselves or of each other. So if you're interested, you know, I did the other video on Koreatown as well, so you can check that out as well. If you guys like these videos, I'll do some more, try to spice things up a bit. So let me know though in the comment section below if you like these type of videos, because if so, I will continue to make these type of videos. But like that guys, we're gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like, follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as YouTube channel. Go to the website geekswithcars.com. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.